Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful Monday. I am super excited because I got my Jeffree Star Premium Valentine's Mystery Box. Yay! So now we have the two that I ordered. I already posted the Supreme unboxing, so definitely check that out if you have not already. It will be linked down below because there is a giveaway in it, and it's a big one. So definitely check it out. But let's get in here and see what we got for the premium. I am very excited because Jeffree put out a tweet that we were in for a big surprise. So I am super pumped to see exactly what is in here, and there may be something I add to the giveaway that I already have with the Supreme. So let's just get in here and see. Before we do that, I do want to say welcome. My name is Nikki. I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do beauty, lifestyle, home decor, accessories, fashion, jewelry. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings and makeup hauls and live streams and mystery boxes, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a part of our Southern Mom YouTube channel here. We would love to have you. But let's get in here again and see what we got in our Supreme. Now this was the smallest of the three. This was $60. So, woo. All right, so when I open it, this is what I see. So I can already tell right now that two of the items are exclusive. So, yay. All right, so this first item here is a little beanie. It's a Jeffree Star little beanie toboggan. It's red, it is super cute. And even right down here, it has his logo and says Jeffree Star. So that is super cute. Now in North Carolina, it really does not get that cold that often. So, we're gonna hold on to that guy for a second. All right, and then we got a pop socket. I do like this pop socket. It is pink. I think it is very, very cute. I did put the pop socket from the Supreme box into the giveaway, so I'm gonna hold on to this one. I may use it, I may not, but either way, now I have one. I just really like to share with you guys. I know a lot of you weren't able to get these boxes. There were some issues, so I like to give back. So, all right, and then we have, this is obviously an exclusive gloss in the shade Succulents. Oh, okay. Let's get her open and see. I have a couple of his glosses, and I really do like them. They're not sticky. They're really pretty. Ooh, they're really pretty. This one is gorgeous. So there you can see the gloss. And look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let's do a swatch. What? Okay. So you see how it looks pink, right? Look at that. Ah! Oh my goodness. I already have a gloss on, so what? Oh my gosh. I am so excited for this. I have Ice Cold, which I got in the Supreme box, and then I have another one that is like a very light champagne-y almost color, but like very, very light. So I'm excited to add the pink one to my collection. The purple one that was the mystery for the Supreme box is in the giveaway. So if you want one of his glosses, you have a chance to win. And then we have one more item, and oh my goodness, y'all. It is Y'all know what's in here, right? Y'all know what's in here. The Alien palette. Oh my gosh. Okay. So this is absolutely, first of all, just even the box is gorgeous. And if you don't know, this palette is now discontinued. He is not making this palette anymore. So to actually have this in the smallest mystery box he sold is just a little bit mind-blowing. So let's take a peek at it. I don't have this palette. I've never actually seen it in person. Oh my goodness gracious. Yo, and it feels so nice. And the like eyes are kind of raised. Oh my goodness. His packaging really is everything. Oh, it has a nice mirror. Nice big mirror. Now the mirror does fold all the way back, but look at these shades, you guys. Look. Tons of neutral and transition shades. Then there are some grays, that purple, the greens. Here's a brown, a black. It's like gray metallic. This palette is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, and he's not making it anymore, you guys. So we got a palette that is actually no longer going to be made. Like you can't even go on his site and buy it anymore. Like it's done. Like that's it. This is it. So we got the Alien palette. So, oh my gosh, I'm a little like, wow. Okay. So we got this and we got, doesn't want to go back in the box. Goodness gracious. Okay, so we got the Alien palette. We got the little beanie with the little like conversation hearts. Like I said, his logo and Jeffree star. This gorgeous, gorgeous gloss. I cannot wait to do the like play with that and wear it. And a pink Jeffree star pop socket. So I absolutely 110% think that this was far worth the $60. I mean, this palette alone, I believe, is like $52. I mean, obviously it's not for sale anymore. You can't buy it anymore, but that is the retail value of that. So we definitely got well worth or more than what we pay or what I paid. So as I mentioned, I already had a video. Like I said, it's going to be linked down below for the unboxing of the Jeffree Star Supreme, like the big one, the big boy. And I'm doing a giveaway in that video. Now, in that video, I said, because I had this coming, that I may end up adding something from this box to that giveaway. Well, I am going to do so. So, I am going to add the beanie. So this will be in the giveaway. And guys, because I love you and I appreciate you so very much. And our channel is fantastic and it wouldn't be what it is without you guys. And I truly want to show my appreciation in a big way. I'm gonna add the Alien palette. So these two items are going to be added to the giveaway that is going with the Supreme box. So all you need to do is follow the link down in the description box to that video and follow the rules on how to enter the giveaway that are in that Supreme unboxing video. And the giveaway does run through February 28th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then on February 29th, I will be using a random comment picker to choose the winner. and I will reply to their comment that day and let them know that they have won. I will pin that comment to the top of the comment section. But like I said, all the other rules are in the other video, the Supreme unboxing. So plus you'll get to see what else I'm giving away from the Supreme box. And trust me, you guys, I only kept a few products. So, like I said, the beanie toboggan with the cute little hearts and the alien palette are being added to the Supreme box giveaway. So definitely go over, check it out. I know that the palette is not being made anymore. We can't buy it anymore. I do think it is a gorgeous palette and I would love to play with it, but I really want to show you guys how much I truly do appreciate you. You know I love giving back. I do giveaways all the time, but this is just like huge thank you. We are so close to 8,000. I cannot believe it. And this is for you guys because you are all amazing and I love you all so very much and appreciate all of your kind words in the comments and when we have live streams and we laugh and we cry and we just have a great time. I want you guys to see just how much I do appreciate you, and I'm gonna spoil one of you a little bit. So like I said, check out that video. It is linked down below and you'll see everything else that is in the giveaway in addition to, yes, the now no longer made alien palette that is gorgeous, and the cute little Jeffree Star exclusive toboggan. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you're excited. Definitely, like I said, go over, check out that other video and follow the rules to enter. And on February 29th, one person is going to win everything that I already have in the box for that giveaway, plus these 2 items. So I hope you guys, again, enjoyed the video. Have a fantastic Monday, a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.